it's moiii and welcome back to another hair video. Okay, this is the state of my hair right now. I have the headband on. This is what I call Polar Express braids. You know the little black girl with the Polar Express braids on in her hair? Yeah, I used to get bullied with her, by the way, because my mom used to put my hair in braids when I was younger and people said I look like her. So I used to cry. Anyways, let me not trauma dump on you. I don't want to trauma dump. This is how I want my hair to look. And this is what it looks like right now. Yes, braids are out and this is what we have. Today, we are doing a tutorial on how to make a flaxseed gel. I love putting my hair in 4 braids, especially before wash day, so I don't have to worry about doing the whole detangling and making sure my hair isn't knotted before I wash it and all that yada yada. No. 4 braids, easy peasy. Take them out before you do your wash day, so on your wash day, you don't have to worry about it. I have always wanted to use flaxseed gel. Have I used it before? No. Am I doing a tutorial on it? Yes! Flaxseed gel has so many benefits, and lately, I'm not gonna lie to you, it could be because I need a trim. I'm gonna give myself a trim right after I wash my hair today before we put in this flaxseed because I've been seeing a little shedding. I'm not liking it, and my hair has been dry a little, so we need to call in the big guns. And flaxseed gel is just that. Before we go, let me tell you the ingredients that we need. Flaxseeds, obviously, because this is the star of the show. A hair applicator, I use one like this. You can get them for the cheap off Amazon. Oh, and you also need a strainer of some sort. You can get them off Amazon. I went for a mesh strainer like this. And then you're gonna need some type of glass mason jar or just like a glass container you can store it in, not plastic. And make sure it's shatterproof because I don't want to know what happens if it isn't. I'm doing multiple things at once, so I just waited a millisecond and like the gel is already formed. It's already formed. This is my first time doing it. We're doing it together, first time. And I am testing things out for you so you don't have to go through the mistakes that I made making this motherfucker. So for one, I think 1/2 flax seeds is good, but I think you need 3 cups of water. For me, I want more and I have a lot of hair and the measurements were perfect if you want it to be like a one-use type of thing, but if you want more than just one use out of it and you don't want to keep making it, definitely do 3 cups of water and 1/2 flax seeds. Another problem that I ran into is the fact that my hair applicator, the hole, it's too small. So, and I don't have a funnel. I'm just gonna use my hands. I need to go wash this hair, it's getting late. I'm so glad that we finished. 2 hours later, hair's washed. I need one of those like towels that wrap around and you put it on your shoulder and then it like velcros so my shirt doesn't get all wet. I cut my hair, I trimmed it because it needed a huge trim. I ended up just parting 3 sections. I'm just going to coat my hair in water and drench this hoe. We want it drenched. We don't want it damp, we want it drenched to where it looks wet again. My hair is all detangled, so we don't have to worry about that. Now, I have these 2 pots. I'm just gonna take the gel, and it should like have this consistency. Like, look at that. Look at that consistency. It looks like you know what. What? Oh my God, where did it go? One thing that I would say I would do is I would definitely make the flaxseed gel last. Like, there's no need. It's real quick to make, so I would make it last. Whoa, the slip, like my hair, look at the dryness. I have nothing in this side. The slip is actually insane, and I'm gonna make sure that it's coated at the ends of my hair as well. Anytime I see dead ends, snip, snip, okay? This slip is so crazy. Look how good. I'm gonna make sure I get the roots as well. And I'm raking it through my hair with my fingers. I am gonna rake it through with a comb because I wanna make sure that when I do my curly hair routine, it's all untangled. And I'm just gonna put it in a quick twist. You could do a twist or a braid. I just wanna make sure that this does not get knotted or mix up with the hair that does not have the flaxseed gel. I'm honestly so shocked, and you can tell that I trimmed my hair, but it looks so much better, so much more healthier. Let's do the rest because I'm so excited to see what this will turn out like. You might not need to do 3 cups. It just depends on the consistency. You seen the consistency that I had with 1/2 cup flaxseed, 2 cups water. I would do 3 cups because I want more of a liquidy. And the reason why I feel like I didn't get a lot of gel, which I had enough gel for my hair and then some, but I would like a little more. And I think it was definitely because of my strainer. A mesh strainer, yes, but it needs to be a little bit bigger on the net. This is what the hair is looking like. This is what the hair is looking like. I love this method. I am going to judge after I do my curly hair routine, but I would like to say that if you have like fine wavy hair, I don't think using Flaxseed Gel as a moisturizer would be that good for you because I feel like it would weigh down your hair more. But you can always use it as a mask if you have like fine wavy hair. Now for my curly girls, my coarse girls, my 3C and up, you know what I mean? We can use this as a moisturizer and it not weigh down our hair. It's actually gonna nourish it a lot. You can't go wrong using this as a mask, using this as a gel. It's good. It's versatile. I want to see what this looks like when my hair is curly and dry. There you go. We're done. Oh my gosh. I didn't even have to use curly cream because the slip was so freaking good. And my hair came out like this with just using the flaxseed gel. I absolutely love it. Like, it's not all the way dry. It's about like 90% dry. But tomorrow it's gonna look so much better because I don't know about you, but my hair looks so much better the next day. I used to think that I needed so many products on my hair, and come to think of it, I just need one. Flaxseed gel. We can make this in our kitchen, girl. Like, are you kidding me? I'm shocked. I'm shocked. Now, we did have a little bumps in the road. Let's do a recap. I do think that you should get a strainer with a little wider net. Not too wide, just a mesh net that you can actually see. 2, maybe add a little more water, 3 cups, 2.5, instead of just 2 cups of water when you do the flaxseed gel. And make sure the hole in the hair applicator is big, or just get a funnel, either or. But I just like doing the most and having a hair applicator when I add like masks and stuff to my hair. But I used my hands and it was perfectly fine. Like, I didn't have a problem using my hands. I do want to show you, this is what it looks like 100% dry, okay? So this is probably like 2 days later. Look, I just know it comes, I just know it looks bomb. I just know it looks bomb. I know it looks fire. Other than that, I give this a 10 out of 10. You know, the hair mask that we did, okay, was not that good. It was okay, but it wasn't this good. Like this, you don't even need hair products anymore now. Maybe I'm doing too much. If you run out of a curly cream and you need to do your wash and go, or like some braids or something, put some flaxseed gel in your hair, because I'm telling you, my hair, and I already know it's gonna help with length retention and like growing my hair. So this is definitely for sure going to be a part of my hair routine now. I don't feel like it needs to be in my hair every time I wash my hair, but once a month I think is good. Let me know if you want another video on like me trying this as a hair mask, and I'll show you the difference. Let me know if you want that. But I love this. Like, can we get into it? Like, I love when I do hair tutorials for you guys, even if it's my first time doing it, which usually when it is my first time, I let you know. But this was my first time doing this tutorial and just trying this on my hair at all, and it was a 10 out of freaking 10. Let me know how you like this video, okay? Give it a like, comment, subscribe, and tell me how you feel. Tell me what you think. Give me tips. Should I have done this? Have you tried this before? Would you try this? What else do you want to see? Because I want to know. I'll see you literally next week. Duh. See you next week. I'm obsessed with my hair. Yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. I love you. Kisses. Bye.